The hardware diagnostics on your Dell EMC server can help identifying issues and defects. Here's how to run it through the Lifecycle controller. You can access your server directly or connect through the iDRAC using the Virtual Console. Reboot or start your server. At the post screen, press F10 to access the Lifecycle controller. In the menu, go to Hardware Diagnostics and click Run Diagnostics. Confirm the pop-up message. The diagnostic will now test your system. This will take several minutes to complete. After completing the basic tests, and if no problems have been found so far, you are prompted to run the remaining memory tests. This may take several hours to complete. We recommend this if no issues have been found so far. If you don't want to run it, you can click No and exit the diagnostics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and leave a like if this video was helpful. For more tips and tricks, check out the other tutorials on our channel. If you have any questions, contact our support staff via Twitter or the Dell community forums.